वेलकम बैक। चैप्टर नंबर 7 क्लास 6 हिस्ट्री। पहले चैप्टर में हमने हमने बुद्धा को कंप्लीट किया। इस चैप्टर में हम महावीर को कंप्लीट करेंगे। ओके। महावीर जैन धर्म के फाउंडर थे। देयर वर 24 तीर्थंकरास, प्रोफेस्टर गुरुज, ऑल क्षत्रियास। फर्स्ट वर ऋषभनाथ एम्बलम बुल। 23rd जो तीर्थंकार थे वो परशुनाथ थे। एम्बलम स्नेक was the king of Ashwasena of Banaras. His main teaching were non-injury, non-lying, non-stealing, non-possession. 24th और the last तीर्थंकारा वर्धमान महावीर लॉयन एम्बलम था इनका। ठीक है। इनका जन्म हुआ था कुंदाग्राम डिस्ट्रिक्ट मुजफ्फरपुर बिहार इन 599 BC। जो उनके फादर थे वो सिद्धार्थ थे, वॉज द हेड ऑफ द जयंत्रिका क्लान। हिज मदर वॉज त्रिशला, सिस्टर ऑफ लिच्छवी प्रिंस चेतक ऑफ वैशाली। महावीर बिंबिसारा से के रिलेशन में आते थे। उन्होंने यशोदा से शादी की और हैड ए डॉटर नेम प्रियदर्शना, हुज हस्बैंड जमाली बिकम हिज फर्स्ट डिसिप्लिन। उनका जो हस्बैंड थे जमाली वो पहले डिसिप्लिन थे। 30 में उनके पेरेंट्स की डेथ के बाद वो एशियाटिक बन गए। ठीक है। तो अब हम पढ़ेंगे महावीर के बारे में। ठीक है। बारह साल तक वो He had a hard and lonely life and gained supreme knowledge in the 13th year. ठीक है। अब हम जैनिज्म को डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे। कॉज हमने पढ़ लिया, सब पढ़ लिया। We have 24 तीर्थंकारा, टीचर और लीडर फॉर their religion. महावीर का जन्म कहाँ पे हुआ था? महावीर का जन्म 540 BC इन ए विलेज कॉल्ड कुंदाग्रामा नियर वैशाली इन नॉर्थ बिहार में। वैशाली बिहार में है। कुंदाग्रामा गांव में हुई थी 540 BC में। उनके जो पिता थे सिद्धार्थ वॉज द हेड ऑफ ए फेमस क्षत्रिय क्लान। मदर जो थी वो त्रिशला थी, सिस्टर ऑफ ए लिच्छवी चीफ चेतक, हुज डॉटर वॉज वेडिड टू बिंबिसारा। ठीक है। महावीर जो थे वो मदर जो थी त्रिशला थी, बहन थी लिच्छव चीफ चेतक, एंड वॉज डॉटर वॉज वेडिड टू, उनकी जो बेटी ने शादी की थी बिंबिसारा से। इन दी सर्च ऑफ ट्रूथ वर्धमान अबेंडन द वर्ल्ड एट द एज ऑफ 13 बिकम एन एसेटिक। ही मेडिटेटेड फॉर 12 years, practiced of various kind of, endured many hardship. At the age of 42 he attended Cavalle Juan Juan। ठीक है। In the 13th year of his asceticism, on the 10th of Vaishakha, outside the town of Jirimvikgrama, he attained supreme knowledge Kavalle. From now on, he was called Jain or Jitendriya or Mahavir. His followers were named Jain. He also got the title of Arihant Worthy. At the age of 72, he attained death at Pawa near Patna in 527 BC. In Jainism, three ratan are given. They are called the way to nirvana. They are right faith, right knowledge, right conduct. ठीक है। और उन्होंने भी 5 डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ जैनिज्म दिए थे। डू नॉट स्टील, डू नॉट कमिट वायलेंस, ऑब्जर्व कंटिनेंस, ब्रह्मचार्य, डू नॉट एक्वायर प्रॉपर्टी, डू नॉट स्पीक। जो बुद्धा ने दिए थे वो इन्होंने दिए थे, बट इन्होंने ब्रह्मचार्य को ऐड किया था। और उन्होंने ये भी कहा था कि अहिंसा हो, नॉन इंजरी टू लिविंग बीइंग। डिविडेशन 2 सेक्ट में डिवाइड किया गया था, श्वेतांबर और दोज हु पुट ऑन वाइट ड्रेस। श्वेतांबर्स, दिगंबर्स आर दोज हु kept themselves naked. Jainism mainly aimed at the attainment of freedom from worldly bonds. No ritual, but only 3 gems are required for liberation. 3 gems or 3 रत्ना: right knowledge, right faith, right action. जैनिज्म को स्प्रेड किया Chandragupta Maurya. He spread Jainism in Karnataka. He began Ajena, gave up his throne, and spent the last year of his life in Karnataka as a Jaina ascetic. Karnataka spread up Jainism in South India. A famine that took place in Magadh 200 years after the death of Mahavira. Bhadrabhahu ने भी दिगंबर. To protect themselves, many Jains went to the south under the leadership of Bhadrabhahu to be called Digambars. ठीक है. Jainism spread to Kalinga and Odisha in the 4th century BC and in the 1st century BC. It enjoyed the patronage of Kalinga king Kharavela. Kharavela Jainism को follow करते थे. Who had defeated the prince of Andhra and Magad. Who had defeated the princes of Andhra and Magad. ठीक है. और इन्होंने भी प्राकृत लैंग्वेज को अडॉप्ट किया था. लिटरेचर लिखा हुआ है अर्धमागाधी एंड द टेक्स्ट वर फाइनली कंपाइल्ड इन द 6th century BC. वालाभी इन गुजरात, ए ग्रेट सेंटर ऑफ एजुकेशन. वालाभी जैनिज्म का है. देयर रिलीजियस लिटरेचर वॉज रिटन इन अर्धमागाधी ARDHAMAGADHI and the texts were finally compiled in the 6th century BC at Valabhi in Gujarat. Jain composed the earliest important work at Apadharmasha and prepared his first grammar. They contributed to the growth of Kannada also. ठीक है, जैन के बारे में इतना ही है. और इनकी भी काउंसिल हुई थी. पहली काउंसिल पाटलिपुत्रा में हुई थी. Suthla Bhadra in the beginning of the 3rd century BC. It resulted in the compilation of 12 Angas to replace 14 Purvas. 2 काउंसिल हुई थी इनकी. पहली पाटलिपुत्र में हुई थी सतुला भाद्रा in the beginning of 3rd century BC. It resulted in the compilation of 12 Angas to replace 14 Purvas. Second हुई थी वालाभी गुजरात में in the 5th century AD under the leadership of देवरिधि गानी. ठीक है. इस चैप्टर में और क्या है, और इस चैप्टर में हम वेट अ सेकेंड. तो एट division in Jainism. At Pavanagar, Mahavir entered into a debate with Brahmins and was able to impress them. With their help, he laid the foundation of Jain Sangh. Members of the Jain Sangh were divided into 4 categories: Bhikshuk, Bhikshunis, Shravek, SHRAVEKS, and Shravikas. The first 2 were ascetic, while the other 2 were householders. Shravek and Shravikas. Great migration of Jain under Bhadrabhahu to South India divided into religion 2 cult. Orthodox followers of Mahavir who hold Bhadrabhahu in high esteem go completely naked. They are called Digambars. The other sect followers of Parshvanath wear white cloth. They are called Svetambars. Sangh. Both the Mahavir and Buddha felt that only those who left their home and could gain true knowledge. They arranged for them to stay together in the Sangh and association of those who left their home. Rules made for the Buddhist Sangh were written down in the book called Vinaya Pitaka, and from this we know that there are separate branches for men and women. Men and women who joined the Sangh led simple life and were known as Bhikshu and Bhikshunis. Those who joined the Sangh include Brahmins, Kshatriya, merchant, labor, barber, courtesan, and slaves. Monastery. Both Jain and Buddhist monks went from place to place throughout the year teaching people. During rainy season, when it is difficult to travel, they stay in one place in temporary shelters. As time went on, the need for permanent shelter urged to build monasteries, which were known as विहाराज. मोनेस्ट्री बनाई कि जब बारिश होती थी तो वहाँ पे ठहर सके, तो उनको बोलते हैं विहारास. VIHARAS. ठीक है गाइस. इस चैप्टर में हम जोरोस्टर के बारे में भी पढ़ेंगे। इरानियन प्रॉफिट, जो रोस्टर इरानियन प्रॉफिट से अवस्था टीचिंग करते थे। अवस्था टीचिंग सिमिलर टू वेदास के सिमिलर थे। गुड थॉट, गुड वर्ड एंड गुड डीड्स। ठीक है। उपनिषद के बारे में बताया गया है कि आइडियाज़ वर रिकॉर्डेड, आइडियाज़ रिकॉर्ड किए जाते थे। आत्मा, इंडिविजुअल सोल एंड ब्राह्मण आर द यूनिवर्सल सोल। आत्मा और इंडिविजुअल सोल और ब्राह्मण थे वो यूनिवर्सल सोल होते थे। पार्ट ऑफ द वैदिक टेक्स्ट, अप्रोचिंग एंड सिटिंग नियर, presented through simple dialogue, famous Chandogya Upanishad. Poor people rarely took part in discussion. Thinkers Gargi, woman thinker. Satyakama Jabala, his slave mother Jabali. शंकराचार्य, पाणिनि हु प्रिपेयर्ड ग्रामर फॉर संस्कृत। इस चैप्टर में इन सब के बारे में डिस्क्राइब किया गया है। क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर इस चैप्टर पे बेस्ड है कि बुद्धा डिस्क्राइब द वे इन विच द बुद्धा ट्राइड टू स्प्रेड हिज मैसेज टू द पीपल। सिद्धार्थ बुद्धा, known as Buddha, was the founder of Buddhism. He tried to spread his message to the people in different following way. Language of the common people was Prakrit and Pali. Buddha tried to spread his message in the language of Prakrit that everyone could understand his message. He spent his life in traveling on foot, going from place to place, teaching people till he passed away at Kushinagar in present-day UP. He also encouraged people to think for themselves rather than to simply accept what he said. Buddha attained enlightenment at Bodh Gaya. Upanishadic thinker believed that Atma और Brahman were ultimate one. उपनिषदिक थिंकर जो थे वो क्या सोचते थे? They wanted to know about life after death. They wanted to know why sacrifice should be performed. They believed that there was something permanent in the universe that would last even after death. They describe this as Atma or individual soul, or Brahman or the universal soul. They believe that ultimately both the Atma and Brahmans were one. महावीर की टीचिंग क्या क्या थी? मेन टीचिंग अहिंसा, नॉन वायलेंस टुवर्ड्स ऑल बीइंग. According to him, all beings long to live, and to all things life is dear. Satya, truth. Absolute honest. Asatya, they were asked not to steal. The practice of not stealing. Tyag, not owing property. Brahmacharya. Anga mother wanted her to know the story of Buddha. Anga mother wanted her to know about the story of Buddha because she was going on a school trip to Varanasi. Varanasi, as many people like Sarnath, which are closely related to the life of Buddha, it would have enriched her knowledge and about one of the greatest teacher and preacher of ancient time. Those who wanted to join the Sangh had to take permission of their parent or their master. Masters would not give permission easily because slaves worked very hard and did not get wages. So it was difficult for the slave to join Sangh. हमें बताना है कि आज के वर्ड में वुमेंस के बारे में जो इस टाइप के क्लॉथ वियर किए, जिसने मदर टेरेसा बिगेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है, was one such lady who gave up worldly pleasure and decided to serve humanity. She had become a nun at a very early age. Suffering of the people, especially the people affected by leprosy, made her serve humanity. He started many homes where the sick, old, and infant were looked after. She wore simple clothes, white cotton sari with a blue border, and ate the same food as the other. She dedicated her life for the poor and considered one of the greatest humanitarian of the 20th century. Thank you guys. यहाँ पे 7 चैप्टर कंप्लीट होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे NCERT चैप्टर नंबर 8. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी. इसमें हमने कंप्लीट महावीर और बुद्धिज़्म के बारे में बताया. थैंक यू.